Good morning, everybody. Mr. Suresh, Dr. Baramati, and my co-panelist. Thank you very much for this opportunity to present the story of track initiated by CIA Institute of Logistics. It was almost a year. It was May 2020 when we had everywhere, every discussion was about supply chain. The country had just entered into a lockdown and the pandemic was very large. Nobody knew when it's going to end. And supply chain, from being a support function, suddenly jumped up to being a savior, jumped up to be a value adding function. And that's a time in which at CIA, we were looking at what is that which you could do. CIA Institute of Logistics has been conducting many programs for sprucing up the supply chain skills in the country through its own MBA programs, permanent ones, as well as from various seminars and educational programs. But then those educational programs were more of trying to teach people, trying to introduce people to new concepts. But what we felt was the time is today to look at more of practical approaches and what can be done to implement some of the knowledge in order to get out of the rut and make things happen once again. And when the lockdown gets lifted, supply chain is going to be under tremendous pressure. And how do we increase the resilience? How do you increase the effectiveness of a supply chain and reduce the uncertainties and improve the sustenance? These were the objectives with which the CIA Institute of Logistics and the team started thinking into what we can do. We came out with a program called a mentorship program. What is different? Next slide. Now, while we are looking at supply chain has various facets. What are those facets of supply chain? Yeah, next. Right. The various supply chain facets, right from the beginning, where we do a planning to final achievement, whether it is planning or procurement or production support or in-plant logistics and warehousing management and material handling equipments and advancements with thereof, and the distribution and the customer care, which is again both inbound as well as the outbound maximum, and multimodal logistics and technology and digitalization and the sustainability and green supply chain. In each of these areas, there are plenty of new things which has been happening across the world. And if we were to educate, if we were to get the people who are engaged in supply chain within the country together, it was a monumental task. We thought that it will be better that we get into a mentorship program, and we titled the mentorship program as a track. Track is about transformation. It's about research. It's about making assessment of the current conditions and to challenge them and bring knowledge to change. So this is the entire program outline of a track. What we thought was, instead of being a normal program, we instead just a lecture program, we make it a mentorship program in which qualified mentors will help the individuals to get into various skills and start applying those skills to their respective field. And we had conducted 4 batches, 312 people have participated, and more than 60 companies have been there who have sponsored them. And the entire program was handled by an able panel of 10 mentors. And I should compliment the CIA Institute of Logistics for putting together such a elite panel within a shortest possible time. All these mentors put together share about 400 years of actual work experience in the areas of supply chain and the respective fields. And I'd like to thank Dr. Sanjeevi, who's currently advisor, Vellore Institute of Technology, and also one of my co-chief mentor in designing this program and administering it. Apart from that, we had Mr. Raman, a consultant and a leadership coach, and Mr. Kamlesh Thakur, was again another global supply chain expert to participate, and Mr. Arvind Kalra, who's another supply chain expert who's working as a consultant today. And Mr. Chandramouli, a consultant and industry coach, veteran in supply chain, and Mr. Zuzar Maskan, who's again a logistics veteran, and he is currently the founder and CEO of Reciprocity Private Limited. Mr. Ajit Jangle, co-founder and CEO, GRV Junction Agritech, which is an agricultural logistics company, and Dr. Anita Kumar, who's also the director of CA Institute of School of Logistics at Amity, along with Amity University, Noida, and Mr. Ramesh Dharmu, founder and director, who's a GMB consultant, and myself, Ashokan, and I run a technology company called AHA Technologies, which is giving two online SaaS-based software for supply chain enhancement, both on buy side and sell side, DigiProcure and DigiSell. So these 10 mentors conducted 8 sessions each, meaning 1.5 hours each session, and run through 8 individual sessions for 4 weeks of mentoring and coaching. What is different? What is the entire team was at it and used to get the questions from the customer supply, the participants, and provide answers during the session itself or even thereafter, and do hand holding to enable them to convert some of the learnings which they get through this 1.5 hours of programs into practical examples of work which they can do in their spot. And thereby, they'll be able to increase the supply chain resilience. That was the primary aim, and that was carried out very, very effectively by these mentors of a track. Next. Now, what we also said that apart from making the people to attend and benefit, all of them will get benefited. But in order to make an assessment and also take a feedback for ourselves to improve the program in the next sessions, etc., how do we try and assess the methodology and assess the intake which these participants had? So we went through a very, very structured methodology of ranking the participants' prowess, the participants' absorption of what they have learned and how they are able to apply to the real life situation. And this went through various stages. We were observing very keenly the active participation of the members, whether it is asking questions and of the program queries which they've raised, and how they have been able to facilitate the learning for other people. Then we conducted a post-event quiz program, primarily taken from the learnings what they had through this program, and based on all the 8 programs in an evenly distributed basis, we conducted quiz program on an online quiz for everybody. And then, it had its own technology features, like nobody will be able to copy, and everything will be scrambled, and even the answers will get scrambled. It's all multiple choices, and therefore, even if you're sitting next to each other, one would not be able to just answer or copy the answer from somebody else. So all these online tools and techniques were used to ensure that we are able to get into the right people. And after that, there was a write-up on the SCM project, supply chain project, which they conceived, which will significantly improve the supply chain deliveries in their respective organizations, were asked to be identified, and the people are required to write and send it across to the mentors. The mentors went through that, selected based on all these inputs some set of people, and those people were personally, through a video call, somewhere about 20 to 30 minutes call with each participants were conducted by the mentors to select the people or rank them as to what it is. So based on that scoring and selection, we have now come to a situation where we want to felicitate the winners. Before I go into it, I just wanted to tell you that we are very proud that the quality of people in supply chain who are today are in the industry are really, really high class. And they're very, very proud that some of the cream of the people who participate in the program, and by no means we are suggesting that the winners of this program are anyway in a very high pedestal compared to others. It has been a very, very tough competition. The winner and others have been separated by just whiskers. And I would always appeal to other people who are not being the winners here, continue the good work which you're doing, continue the learning, and continue to learn till your life, so that you'll be able to apply those learnings to the requirement. So now it's time to look at what is the kind of a winners. Now, before I go into announcing the winners, I must also tell you that these winners are they are amazing people, and the way in which they've been able to absorb what has been told to them in the 12-hour session which they had over 8 days, and also the way in which they've been able to appreciate, understand the real life situation in the respective field, and what kind of a solution which can be brought in by supply chain team is something which is remarkable. Thirdly, I would also like to mention that the maturity of the team which made the presentations are so high that they were not even looking at only what they can do as an individual or a team with under them. They were looking at projects which are multifunctional projects cutting across the company and trying to do that. I'm not going to be under an illusion that this project would have been implemented only by these people. Probably their organization and the other departments and other functions should have helped them to implement those projects to get the best out of it. But nevertheless, I would feel that the genesis of the idea, planting that information, what is required to be done, maybe the problem statement existed earlier, but the way in which structurally they found the solutions and applied a scientific basis to come out with resource requirements and the project planning were something which is noteworthy. And we as mentors, we are very happy to see that, I mean, we were all supply chain guys in our own life cycle. But today to see that the youngsters coming out with the solutions which are path breaking is something which is very, very noteworthy. With that note, let me just move on to announce the winners. I'll start from the reverse order. Mr. S.M. Subramaniam, Manager Logistics Center of Excellence in JSW Steel Limited, wins the 3rd place in the CII Track Champion 2020. This gentleman had, every one of them are presented in the quiz program, a very, very bright face. All of them scored very high in the quiz program. That shows the way in which they are attentive to the program. And I can say that many of the questions were centric on the inputs which you provided. And therefore, I'm very happy that they could do that. And second, this gentleman had come out with a very audacious target of improvement of 20% improvement in productivity and efficiency of the logistics operations which are being carried out by, this gentleman had come out with a project of improving the entire custom clearance procedure, the time taken for, Mr. Suresh talked about it, the time taken to take a container out. How will we be able to improve the entire thing? And also they try to get the documentation right by digitalizing entire process. That the process which he has submitted, and that project he had taken for implementation. And I'm sure by this time it should have been implemented. And we are very happy in felicitating Mr. S.M. Subramaniam as a 3rd party prize winner in this program. The 2nd prize winner is Mr. Shailendra Verma from NTL Logistics India Private Limited. I'm sorry, this is the gentleman who took the audacious target of improving the logistics operation of NTL Logistics by 20% in terms of productivity and efficiency. What was appealing to us in this entire presentation, even though it's a very motherhood statement, but the way in which he has broken up various elements which leads to logistics operation, efficiency and productivity in a unit of his size and caliber, and how each department, each function, each individual can contribute to that is something which is very noteworthy. A very noble thought. I don't think, and none of us believe that it can be implemented over a 2 month, 3 months, or a 1 year period. But it sets a blueprint for this company to take it up and run with that as an improvement target for future to be one of the winners in the business world. So congratulations to Shailendra Verma, Assistant General Manager, SCM in NTL Logistics India Private Limited. Now coming to the last, and the best one. I have pleasure in announcing Mr. Vaibhav Mangonkar, Senior Manager SCM of Calderis India Refractories Limited, as a winner of CII Track Champion 2020, which is the first inaugural session, and therefore is the inaugural winner. All of you would remember that which franchisee won IPL number 1. And if I ask you IPL number 3, IPL number 4, you may not be able to tell me. But when it comes to IPL number 1, everybody will remember. So Mr. Vaibhav Mangonkar will be remembered as the inaugural champion of CII Track Champion 2020. His project is about getting the lead time for buying raw material in the refractory unit reduced drastically. And this involved a multiple level of planning within the organization, different level of involvement of marketing, production people, production planning, logistics, supply chain, procurement, and even the vendor themselves. How all of them can be brought into one thing, and with a shared goal congruence, how they'll be able to achieve a reduction in lead time is what the project which is brought in by the gentleman. And we're very happy that these youngsters think so loudly and so clearly, and also understand the value of team working, collaboration amongst various functions in the company, and try to come out with something which is very good. So I would be very, very happy to announce that Vaibhav Mangonkar would be a role model. Now, coming to the last thing, and we would be failing in our duty if we don't recognize the companies which sponsored them. Calderis is the company which has sponsored multiple people for this program. And one of the things which we felt very happy about that, apart from GSW and a few other people have also done that, Hyundai Motor Corporation, there are a lot of people have done that. But what we are very happy about it is that they were able to get the wider cross-section of the people to attend the program, go through the same level of inputs, so that every one of them get benefited, and every one of them get to converted into a new religion when they go back to their work spot. And thereby, there is no difference in the understanding and difference in the conceptual framework which each people have changed. So this kind of a group working or a group sessions for the entire company, or the relevant people being participating over a 4-week and 8 days and 12 hours module is something which is really price-worthy. On that ground, we would and also I must convey that from Calderis, he's not the only person. Even the other people who participated were very close contenders for the award. Probably they would have missed out by a small margin because of the multiple voting and the things like that. Otherwise, they are no less than the winner. So therefore, for having such a wonderful team and having participated in the program, having supported CII Institute of Logistics, we are happy to announce Calderis India Refractory Limited is selected as the CII Track Champion for 2020, and this flag will be presented. All these awards will be presented physically to the individuals through the channel, through not sending through a courier company, but a proper way, and they will be handed over. They will be felicitated, and we will take care of that. And finally, I like to CII Institute of Logistics, and on my behalf, having worked in this program for more than a year now, I like to thank all the mentors who had put in so much of effort, and the quality of presentations have been superb, and the way in which they pedaled each question, the way in which they went back and did the homework and updated their own knowledge about this subject is something which is price-worthy. And all the supporting companies which has worked and which has helped out, and the staff in CII Institute of Logistics who put untiring efforts in making every question brought forward and answers to be provided to everybody. And similarly, the administration of the work, in spite of all the issues on connectivity, these, that, etc., they have never been let down. And so that's something which is, and there are a number of occasions where we have to sequence change due to various reasons, but we never lost the sight of what is required for everybody. And I would also like to thank at this particular point of time, Dr. K. Ganesh from McKinsey, who has also supported on the green supply chain initiatives and brought in a lot of new insights to the participants. And he was there in every session altogether. And I would like to thank all the people who are engaged in the design and execution of this program. We are also pleased to announce that this program continues for 2021 also. Already 2 batches have been completed, and the next batch is scheduled between 15th of June and 8th of July 2021. We would be very pleased to invite all of you for the next batch and the batch thereafter, so that everyone gets benefited on that. I'm very particularly, especially very excited about the way in which the program has been conducted. And this is one of the very high quality, the skill change program, which has been introduced by CAI Logistics. And thank you very much to everyone.
Thank you very much, Ashokan, for highlighting the details of the program and very greatly explaining in detail what the participants went through. Yes, I understand it's a very great program for practicing supply chain managers, especially the young budding ones. And I'm sure that with your leadership, this will go to greater heights in the coming year as well. Thank you very much.